The month of November brings us a number of big milestones. First of all, we want to thank all of our veterans for their service. We have a number of veterans working here at the Trusted Toolbox, and we thank you for your service and we appreciate all the work you've done. At the end of the month, we'll be celebrating Thanksgiving and bringing the families together. And in preparation for that, a lot of us need to get our houses ready to go. So give us a call at the Trusted Toolbox. Let's get that handyman for a day list figured out. Get those photos to us and we see if we can't get you knocked out all taken care of. So that way, the in-laws will love your home. A couple other things we have in our newsletter is that smart home technology that can help you while you age in place. Sometimes we're afraid of the Alexas and the controls that are around, but I will tell you that a lot of the controls that we have that will help in terms of activated lighting, in terms of opening and closing blinds, doing some of those motorization things that will help us enjoy our home and get us lit up. Because light is one of the most important things in our own home for all of us to make sure that we eliminate those trip hazards. We hope you guys have a great Thanksgiving. Please check out that newsletter, and we look forward to helping you out either before Thanksgiving or before Christmas.